Hey guys, it's Abby, and I know it's been a while, so sorry if this voiceover sounds rough, but I am back, and today we are going to be making some Mount Fuji themed resin charms, and I am just using my regular Patico pigments and my favorite glitter here. Can't make anything without it, honestly. Anyway, I tried filming with two cameras this time. Let me know how you like the multi-angle look, and maybe I'll try it again next time. But anyway, I'm just kind of filling in each color one by one here. It's a simple piece, but I just loved how these bezels look, so I had to make something with them. And I'm not gonna lie, this was actually supposed to come out in January. I know, it's April, and I don't know what happened, but this is supposed to be like the New Year Mount Fuji Rising Sun Japan video, and it just kind of didn't happen. But like I said, I am back, and we are going to have a lot of fun crafting this year. And you know, technically the school year, business year in Japan starts in April, so it's okay. It's okay. Anyway, so the process itself is, fairly simple. Color the resin, fill in the charm, cure it, and at the end I'm going to dome it, of course. The first look I used translucent pigments, which I love so much. Patico brand. Honestly, any brand. I haven't really seen a big difference. I just use the Patico ones because that's what I got first, and they last forever. So I think they're like $4 to $6. I think they're closer to $6, and a little bit pricey if you want to get, the whole range, but seriously, they last forever. I have not run out of one yet, and I've had them for years. Anyway, that was the first one. I am going to make a different design, and I'm going to go pastel with this one. You guys know me, glitter and pastel and rainbows. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any questions or requests, please leave them down below. I'm going to try to answer as many comments as I can, and I think that's all I have to say. Rather than me trying to talk through the whole video, I will end my talking here, but please watch the video to the end if you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share it on social media. It would help me out so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.